All right, guys. So I want to go over what's been going on over the past couple weeks, just to give you guys a little business update, which seems appropriate since we're doing this business and we're doing this step by step together. I took down some notes, things that I've want to mention to you guys, some tips, my sales, my shipping costs, my fees, and my net profit for the month. Let's see where we're at. So for this month, we did 9 sales. I did 8 sales on TCG Player, 1 sale on eBay. Total sales $106.33. Of that, shipping cost $14.60. I paid $17.45 in fees for a net profit of $74.28. Notes for the week only took a week to hit level 2 seller. That didn't take long at all, but just a couple of sales. To touch on that, any cards that you have that are ultra rare or better, so trainer galleries, SIRs, whatever the pretty cards, full arts, alternate arts, all that stuff. You want to be very competitive. This is my opinion, because you want to get to level 4 right away. Sooner than later, you want to get to level 4 seller. So what I would suggest is all your ultra rare or better cards, price low. Very low, very competitively. Make the sales right away so that it opens up your inventory space. Like I said, for the first month, even at level 2, I'm allowed 500 items. Not a lot of items. It's not a lot of cards. It's not a lot of inventory. So my one tip would be to list your more sought after cards very competitively at the bottom. Truthfully, price them at the bottom, get to level 4, and I guess we'll make some adjustments then. But that's definitely my first tip. Second tip, windowed envelopes. I've been using regular just CVS envelopes. I have to write out the shipping address and the return address. What the windowed envelopes is going to do is when you pull up your sales on, just say, TCG Player, you could print out the shipping slip. And if you fold the shipping slip 3 ways, you're going to basically have their shipping address right on the in the window. So you're going to be removing a step of having to write out their address. And my last point is going to be listing is key. Try to do 100 cards a day. If you have enough cards, try to do 100 cards a day just to start. Have everything that you need before you list your cards. So yeah, have your penny sleeves, your top loaders, your stamps, your envelopes. Have all that ready and keep it all in one space, so when it does come time to ship, everything's right there. So this is my 1 month update. Level 2 seller. We made like $75 profit, and list your cards as low as possible at the start. Get those sales, upgrade your seller level, and I'll be back next month with video just like this on my 2-month update. So stick around, let you guys know how we're doing. We'll keep bringing some tips your way, and we'll see what we can get going here. See you guys around. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all those things. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Chrissy Whispers out.